Ko Nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimiti no te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ta tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, e aru tonu ana mātou ko Storme Hītāua no MY FM.
Yes!
Me Sam whatarangi i ngā warehenga. Kua hopu ia Sam tana warehenga e āhei ana ki te mau, engari, he mea nui rawa ake te ika kua maua e Storme.
Not gonna let my shark get away.
Tangaroa-ā-roto rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. Energy is surging and it's usually a great day for fishing. Kei tāmaki makaurau, mātou ko Storme Hītāua no te reo irirangi o MY FM, me Sam whatarangi. E rapu ana i a rāua warehenga tuatahi. He wāpai a Tangaroa-ā-roto ki te hi ika, ā i te rā nei ko whaihua mātou.
Sam's getting a bit of attention on his one at the moment.
He whāngā warehenga kua hopu i a Sam.
Here we go.
Ko tahi o ēnei e āhe ana te kai. Ā, ko kai hoki ia i te manawa o tana ika.
It's actually pretty nice. It's like same sort of texture as like the gristle in a steak.
Go tell all your whānau about us, eh? Moontide Fishing.
Kua whakahokia e Storme tana warehenga tuatahi.
Let's have that as the goal now.
Yeah,
you want to
yeah.
eat a kingy heart,
Yeah.
you got to catch the warehenga, the
catch
kingy.
the one.
Yeah.
Ko riro mā Storme te mana o MY FM e pupuri. Engari, ka tae notia e ia.
Just waiting. Patiently. Oh, yeah.
Oh, get him, brother.
Ah.
Yeah, that's the one, bro.
Do I let it take some line or is this all good?
Just go, bro. Just like usual. Arms, my bro. You got him, brother? Alright, te whānau, Storme's on again. Hopefully you'll get this one to the boat. Hopefully it's a warehenga.
Just put, oh no. Oh, wait.
Oh, what? Oh, that might be a shark. Oh, it might be. Oh, that's locked. Try and thumb it without burning your thumb.
Okay. Yeah.
Might have got hit on the surface, eh? Put your hand under there. That's the one, bro.
He nui te pakanga kei te haere mo Storme.
So I think what's happened, whānau, just as he was getting his warehenga close to the surface, could have been a mangō come along and hit it.
Fast. We're still here.
Ah, time for a workout, whānau. It's time for a workout.
Took it. Ooh.
Oh. This ain't the Titanic.
And it fits. That's the beautiful bit about that.
So you always hold on with that hand, bro. If you're going to let go
Okay.
with your right hand. You know, like to hold the drag or to...
Oh, don't let it touch the boat.
Yeah, you're going good, bro. You're going good.
Oh.
Come on, bro. Let's see if we can get him to the boat.
Oh.
You know what this is doing, bro? This is testing your endurance, because when you do finally get to the Kingy ladder,
Yeah.
ko pau te hau.
Oh.
Come off? Yeah, I think he did, bro.
Oh.
Oh, no. I think he's still there. He's still there.
Hey. Oh. Never mind going, get yourself gym memberships, get yourself Nore and hooked onto a shark.
So whānau, in this phase of Tangaroa-ā-roto, the moon rose just after midnight, and it'll be setting in another couple of hours. Sometimes as you get those moon sets, it can bring on some awesome activity as well. But at the moment, we're still catching smaller warehenga. We're hooking up on mangō. It's all action. It's all good practice. Bro, if you can land this, you'll be able to land a warehenga.
Oh.
Yeah. That's the one, bro. That's the one. That's the one, bro.
Oh,
That's the one, bro.
oh yes, we got some slack. Oh no.
Yeah. Keep going, bro. Keep going, yeah. The skipper's helping to manoeuvre so we get on top of it easier.
Going under the boat again. Oh, yeah.
We must be right on top of me. Go hold it, bro. Our charter runs out in a couple hours.
Yeah.
The longer you take, the less chance you have to catch a kingy. Nah. Yeah, that's the one, bro. That's the one. Doing awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one, bro. Yeah, make most of it while it's doing that. Yeah, we're swimming with him now. Here's your chance to get some line back. Anyone want to have some lunch while we wait?
Going under again. Hey. Oh.
Oh.
You know what? Oh.
Unluck my bro. Unluck my bro.
Look at all that. Oh.
Now you know what it feels like to have big fish on, bro. Let's just hope the next one's a warehenga.
Get me back on, bro.
Ooh. Ooh. Bro, I think you had a kingy on, bro.
Don't say that. Don't say that to me.
Well, shark would have bitten through that, Trace.
Oh.
Nah.
Got a dent today.
He bent it, bro. That was a shark one, bro. That was definitely a shark.
That's all right, though. Hey, that held up. Pretty
Hey,
sweet.
good rig, brother.
We're gonna go have some fruit first, and we'll catch you up after the break.
E whai ake nei, ka tuku e au te maunu mētara, engari ka rarungia tonu mātou e ngā mangō.
Oh, I think I'm getting shark, bro.
Ā, mā te tuku pōpua, ka eke aku hoa ki te taumata. Tangaroa-ā-roto rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. Energy is surging and it's usually a great day for fishing. He tino pai tō mātou mahi hi te rānei, ā, ka tahi anoa Storme ka mutu i tana pakanga nui ki te mangō.
Oh.
You know what?
I āia e whakatā ana,
Let's go, brother. This time.
ka tuku anō e Sam te maunu ora ki te wai. Mea rawa ake, kua mau.
Yeah, you on, bro. E te whānau. Sam's on again. Yeah, bring him close, bro. Bring him close, bro. There we go, brother. Oi.
Hiya.
There you go. Nice little warehenga there. Whānau, the bro Sam's got yet another warehenga. Still not big enough to put in the bin and take home, but bro, it's got to be coming. I think they're only going to get bigger. It's only a matter of time. We've got that tide coming in. We're past Te Tai Whanake. We're getting closer to Te Tai Pari. And, well, they're around. We're catching plenty. Just need the bigger ones. So, me whakahoki anō tēnei kia Tangaroa. Me te tuku mihi ki aia mō ngā ika. Engari, tēnā pēr me inui mō tētahi mea rarahi. Cheer, brother. Cheer, brother.
I te tāinga mai o ngā warehenga, ka tuku e ahau te maunu mētara ki te whakapātari te ngau a tētahi.
Oh, I'm on.
Actually,
Yeah, I'm on. Here we go. Warehenga time. Oh, ko mau au tētahi warehenga, he mea anō. Oh. So these Tangaroa phases are starting to show its worth. Oh, what's that? Have I hooked someone? Nah. Oh, I think I'm getting shark, bro. So whānau, in these productive Tangaroa phases, and there's plenty of fish around. There's also the odd mangō that's hungry as well. They probably follow the maramataka and think this is a good time to get out and eat too. So I had warehenga on, which I wouldn't say was too big, but then it soon became heavy. And sometimes you get an often telltale sign. The rod starts to sort of shake, and then you get this action. Want to turn? Nah.
No.
There we go. Good chance this will be a bronze whaler whānau. There's a few of them around. This time of the year, water temperatures are quite warm, and they'll often referred to as the tax man, coming to take their GST.
Also, what you're seeing here is a nice strong power arch for when you're doing bench press.
Yeah.
That's how you want your back to be, lifting 150 kg plus. It's got strong power arch. Here's a Nore boy with a shark on it. Let's give a shout out to the skipper as well. Tandem working together. The boys are working together.
Yeah, he's just here now, I think, bro.
No idea where I'm looking.
Just straight down my line. He'll be nearly at the surface. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
There he goes. Oh, well, that was a good workout. Wouldn't have mind seeing it, but it's just sometimes how it happens, whānau.
I te mahi whakararuraru a ngā mangō, ko te whakatau a te kai urungi a Mike, me tuku a ngā pōpō ki runga i te wai, kia kau mai ngā warehenga ki runga. Ā, ka taia pēr te whakaeke ika ki te poti. I aia nei nā, me tatari.
Got a couple of different lures out. Hopefully they'll entice the warehenga, but it's all starting to happen, whānau, out here in this phase. Obviously with the maramataka, it has a lot to teach us about how to interact with our environment, when to get out and fish, when to harvest. For me, I love to fish around many different phases. Just as you're getting closer to Rākau Nui, those few days leading up, that's when the sun sets, moon rises, and we've got a kingy on. Yeah, boy! Lift them out. Yeah. All right, brother, you're on. Just as we're talking about these productive phases, Tangaroa-ā-roto, the bro Storm's on.
Whoa.
Yeah, you got him, brother.
Come on, ya. Sorry to interrupt you, Nore.
You're all right, brother.
Talking about your
No,
moon phases.
that's exactly what we wanted, my bro. The bro Storm is on. Well, bro, you've had the practice.
Yeah.
You had the big shark.
Ooh, he wants to get away.
Could this be, brother? Could this be? We know it's a warehenga whānau. All we need to know now, is it the one we need?
Nice and gentle, okay.
All right, let's see. Ooh, yep, stop there, brother. All right, we're at the boat, bro, we're at the boat.
Oh,
Okay, just hold him there, bro. Hold him.
holding him here, please. Oh. See you, mate. Oh,
I'll leave him out.
well, Nore's putting that one out. Not quite. But good arm workout anyway, and not quite legal, but you got to set them free, let them go back home to their whānau, get back home, the wife's going to be like, what's that in your mouth? I told you not to eat those hooks.
Oh, whānau, that's number 2 for Storm. 3 times lucky. Gotta be 3 times lucky.
Ka hore ngā tohu o te mangō e kite ana I konei. Nā whai anō, ka tahi te warehenga, ka ngau.
You're on. Haha, yeah, boy. Oh. How's it feeling, brother?
Yeah, not too bad, eh?
Tēnei wā te maramataka I te whānau, the bro is on. Oh, yeah, can see a little bit of colour. Oh, here we go. Hang on, stand by. Oh, he could be. He'd be close. He'd be close.
You right?
Yeah, we'll put them in the bin so we can get those hooks out. Oh.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, titiro mai te whānau. Bro, you're on fire today. How you feeling?
Yeah, pretty stoked, eh? Wow, beautiful fish. Yeah, just buzzing, bro. Wow.
E te whānau e kite ana ngā hua i tēnei wahanga ko Tangaroa-ā-roto ki te rangi, e tō ana ki te uru i tēnei wā. We're just about at moonset in the next hour or so, but the fishing's starting to heat up. It's legal, it's going in the bin. All we need to do now is get Storm onto his.
Let's get the bro Storm on.
Yep. Yeah, boys, shot brothers. Shot my bro.
Sammy.
All right, bro. All right, we're there, bro. We're ready for the epic ending. That's you, bro.
E whai ake nei, ka tutuki te wawata a Storm, ā, koia pē tēnei te ika nui o te rā.
Bro. You're on a real kingy now, brother.
Ahakoa ko pau te hau, ka whawhai ia mo te hemo tonu atu. Tangaroa-ā-roto rises 8 days after Rākaunui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy, and usually a great time for fishing. No tēnei wā tonu, kua rawerawa atu te mahi hiika a Storm rawa ko Sam.
Oh, that sounded messed up.
Ahakoa ko hopu ia Sam te nuinga. Ko te tūmanako e nāia nei, ka hopu ia Storm te tahi warehenga nui.
You're going to go to 7. You're going to get hit.
They got a hit, bro. Oh, that's a bit bigger, bro.
Don't you dare be a shark again.
Nah, bro, you're on the kingy, brother. You're on the kingy, bro. That's a good kingy too. That's all right. You got plenty of line, bro. Let it. Yep, you're on. Yeah, you're on now, brother. You're on now, brother.
Yeah.
You're on a real kingy now, brother. Whānau, this is the moment we want. We're nearly there, not far away from the boat. We want to see Storm land his first warehenga, his first legal warehenga. Of course, he's caught a couple of what we'd call reddies, but we're getting closer. I think there was only out 200 metres. Keep him up, brother. Keep him up. Keep him up. That's the one. Yeah. Getting closer to the end goal, whānau. We're there, bro. We'll be able to see it soon. Yeah. Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh, he's a good fish. Keep going, bro. He's a nice fish, brother. All right. Just keep as you are, bro. Just keep as you are. It's got the single hooks too, bro, this. Yeah. Ah, beauty, brother.
Come here, you.
Yeah. Take your time. Just take your time. Yeah.
Sweet.
Here we go, Storm. Just keep him going, brother. Here we go, my bro. We're nearly there. Just walk back to the speed, brother.
Back.
Oh, here we go, boys. Here we go. Oh, too good.
Holy.
All right.
Okay, what do I need to do? I'll hold the rod.
What you need to do is just take a breath, my bro. You got your first good warehenga.
We're eating a heart. We're eating a heart. Now this is a Kingy kapisi. This is Kingy kapisi right here.
Oh, my bro. How does it feel, brother?
That is amazing. Oh, shout out Sammy, bro. That was on your rod, but you let me take the fight. Oh, I feel like Maui, and this is Te Ika Maui.
Tangaroa phase, Tangaroa-ā-roto, Tangaroa's provided. Finally got your warehenga.
Maybe a 40 kg. Certainly not a world record, but it's a My FM record for sure.
Engari, ko tahi anō te rekoata ki te whakatutuki.
Fair's fair.
Yeah.
Hey, the bro Sam made his hut.
Holy! It's still pumping. Oh. that's me now. That's me now.
Too good, my brother.
You got another one, you can have a kai too, bro.
Oh, well, whānau, the brothers have finally landed their warehenga. All we have to do now is just swallow, chill for the rest of the day, swallow his heart, and hopefully keep trying, see if we can get another one.
Oh, that was a fat ass heart. So just swallow it, just swallow it. Good.
Nice one, bro.
Oh,
Me ora wāke, ka eke mātou katoa ki te mura o te ahi.
Oh, I'm on too, I'm on too. Oh, we're all on.
come on, come on. Oh, hey. Mine's
Got a bit of a triple hook up here. Oh, hang on. Oh, we're tangled, we're tangled.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, you bugger. It's under the boat. Oh, sorry. Wait, here they come, here they come. Here it comes.
I te whakawhitia hau ki tērā taho o te poti kei rirapa ki a Storm, e kaha ana Storm, te tākai I tana ika.
Oh, yeah, man.
Hang on, Mark, one more.
Oh, good fish,
Holy.
bro. Good fish. I'll just get mine in too. There was a bit of excitement and a bit of chaos all mixed into one. A few tangles, but the bro Storm, hey, he got his first decent warehenga, and now he's caught one, well, looks like it's even bigger. I was almost a little bit shy to bring this into the boat, so I'll quickly put this one back. Tēnā koe, Tangaroa.
Tēnā koe. Another one, bro. Oh, my days.
How you feeling, brothers?
Blessed. Hard, bro. Unreal day, unreal day. It's mean to see the maramataka and everything that we've talked about earlier in the show, bro, just kind of show its fruits. And
There we go. And of course, we're in the phase of Tangaroa-ā-roto. Anei ko tētahi o ngā wahanga tino whaihua mo te mahi moana, te hiika. I'm so wrapped for you, brothers. All I wanted to see was you get those first warehenga. You've got them, so plenty of kai to take home. Nore te whānau, kaue ware me hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika, e ai ki te maramataka.
I te hokinga no mātou ki uta, ka tū ki te Kaika Project.
Bro Storm's Kingy.
I konei ka pokangia ka horepi hoki ngā ika e ngā kaimahi. Ā marātua no ngā mātinga ika e tākohangi atu ki ngā whānau I roto I ngā tini hapori o tāmaki makaurau. Nō tēnei wā tonu e toru rau, waru te kaumārima mano kilogramu ngā toinga ika ko toha atu ki ngā whānau.
Too good, eh, boys? Too good.
Service with a smile.
Oh, hard. Saves you having to clean in your backyard if you haven't got a filleting station at home.
bro, I live in the middle of the city, so I'd only be pissing off my neighbours.
Oh, whānau, that was quick and easy. Hey, brothers, 2 twos, go on.
I'm still up, bro.
Awesome day out. Hey, beautiful warehenga, tāmure in this phase of Tangaroa-ā-roto. Productive day. We caught our fish. The boys got their first warehenga. And now we're back here. We've got everything filleted thanks to Matt and the boys at Kaika here for processing all of this. The boys are going to take some of the kai and leave some for whānau. So awesome. Brothers, mean days. Hope you enjoyed it.
Loved it.
I want to go again.
Oh, I'm sure we can do that.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.
Ko te reo, te take.